going to tell you about Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha house is made up of wood, straw, wood, mud, straw are called Kacha house. For example, hut. Pakka house is made up of bricks, iron, steel, cement. Are called Pakka house. For example, bungalow or building. Thank you.
Starting with Sanskrit श्लोक यथा हि एकेन चक्रेण न रथस्य गतिर्भवेत् एवं पुरुषकारेण बिना देवं न सिद्ध्यति। अर्थात जैसे एक पहिए के बिना रथ का चलना नहीं होता, उसी प्रकार बिना पुरुष के भाग्य नहीं सिद्ध होता। Now I will tell you about ईश्वर चंद्र बंदोपाध्याय. He was a writer, philosopher, a great philosopher, educator, and so more. He brought a revolution in education in Bengal. Vidyasagar brought a revolution in education system. He also brought a revolution in widow system. He supported the widow. And he also brought settlement for women in India. Thank you.
I am firstly presenting a slok. Pradoshen Deepakah Chandra Prabhate Deepakah Ravi Trailokya Deepakah Dharma सुपुत्र कुलदीपका। अर्थात मतलब रात के समय चंद्र दीपक होता है और दिन के समय सूर्य दीपक होता है और तीनों लोगों में धर्म दीपक होता है और सुपुत्र कुल का दीपक होता है। Now I am going to tell you about the contributions of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar was elected as a law minister, but soon he was appointed as the chairman of the constitution drafting committee. He was assigned a role to make a constitution, keeping in mind that minorities should not be excluded. He made an constitution which would be accepted by all. He made a constitution which was very flexible and strong, that it could hold the India, or it could hold India in peace or at a wartime. और हाँ, Bhimrao Ambedkar also improved the system of the women's status. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to speak about late Lal Bahadur Shastri's contributions to India after independence. But before I start, let me present a shlok in front of you all. Ashtadas Puraneshu Vyasasya Vachnam Dvayam Paropkara Punyay Papay पर पीड़नम, अर्थात 18 पुराणों में 2 ही वचन हैं. पहला परोपकार ही पुण्य है, दूसरा दूसरों को दुख देना पाप है. Now I will start with the contributions of late Lal Bahadur Shastri to India after independence. First, he supported the White Revolution because he wanted India to be a milk producing country. So he supported the Amul milk production of India in Anand, Gujarat, which is currently now the biggest milk producer in India. Second, he was the first person to appoint a woman conductor when he was the transport minister. Third, he signed the Tashkent Agreement. Unfortunately, he died on that day at night. Fourth, he made the foundation of Mangalore port when he was not an official minister without a portfolio. Fifth, he was a minister who tenured whiteness Madras due to Anti-Hindu Agitation Act in 1965, which means that you cannot speak in Hindi till you have a government pass or permit. Because Lal Bahadur Shastri want that Hindi should be the India's official language. Sixth, he promoted cattle Amul feed in 1965 by giving a huge amount of money to Amul Productions. Seventh, he passed the bill NAPB Act, which means National Agriculture Products Board Act, by setting down the India's agriculture food in 1965. Thank you.
अब कौन लोग है?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to put forward a slok. यथा ह्योकेन चक्रेण न रथस्य गति भवेत् एवं पुरस्कारेण विना देवं न सिद्ध्यन्ति. इसका अर्थ है कि जिस प्रकार एक पहिए से रथ नहीं चल सकता, उसी प्रकार बिना पुरुषार्थ के भाग्य सिद्ध नहीं हो सकता. Now I would like to tell everyone here about the Indian James Bond or the real life James Bond, Mr. Ajit Doval. Ajit Doval is currently the 5th National Security Advisor of the Prime Minister of India. Previously, he served in the Intelligence Bureau as the Director of the Intelligence Bureau. Now, I would like to say about his early life in the police service. Ajit Doval joined the Indian Police Service as an IPS officer in 1968 and was straight away after joining deployed into Thalessery district in Kerala. The reason behind his deployment in the Thalassery district in Kerala was due to the riots that were ongoing in that district only between Hindu and Muslims. Ajit Doval stayed in Thalassery from January of 1972 to June of 1972, where after taking full control over the district in under 1 week time, he was able to bring back normalcy into the whole state, and everything was back to normal. After being impressed by Ajit Doval's work, the Indian officials promoted him into the central bureaucracy. Ajit Doval then joined the Intelligence Bureau as the head of the Intelligence Bureau. Ajit Doval was heavily involved into some of the cross-border military operations. First of all, starting with the Mizo National Force. Ajit Doval sneaked into incognito into the Chinese borders and was able to collect some of the most critical and vital informations for India from the Chinese border, and was able to execute somewhere around 20 to 38 militants there. After which he was then involved in. After which he was then sent to Sikkim and contributed heavily towards the merging of Sikkim with India. After his retirement in 2005, from the intelligence bureaucracy, he still wrote and talked about a lot about the Indian defense and about black money. After the election of the BJP government in 2014, Ajit Doval was appointed as the 5th National Security Advisor of Narendra Modi. Under his advisory or supervision, in 2016, India was successful to carry out a surgical strike on Pakistan and eliminated a lot of their terrorists. The condition between India and Pakistan escalated pretty quickly in that time period, after which Pakistan attacked on Pulwama on an Indian Army battalion, and after that, talking with the US Secretary officials and the National Security Advisor of the US, Ajit Doval attacked Pakistan through an airstrike on 27 February 2019, after which Pakistan tried to retaliate, but during this whole combat, one of India's pilot, Abhinandan Vartaman, was captured, entered the Pakistani territory and was captured by the Pakistan army. After a few moments, Ajit Doval also contacted with some of the higher officials and was straight away put forward a simple statement that included that if our pilot is not released within 24 hours, it would be a straight declaration of the war between the two nations. And after that, Imran Khan, who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan, was pressurized and released Abhinandan by saying it is a gesture of peace. Ajit Doval was also involved highly into the attack onto the extremist and nationalist group in Nagaland, India, and also eliminated a lot of their militants from there. But the officials at that particular extremist group also denied the claims by the Indian government, after which Ajit Doval put forward a lot of the reports that proved about the operation being successful. Ajit Doval is currently working in the Indian government as a national security advisor and is famously known as the Indian or the real life James Bond. Thank you.
आप कौन जाओगे? चलो हम शुरू करते हैं सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल से. Through his lifetime, he was considered the Iron Man of India. He was the man who united 567 princely states with different dialects into one nation. Into one nation. This imposed him as the harbinger of unity. He was elected as the Deputy Prime Minister of independent India. He imposed on the making of the states in terms of language and dialects basis. He opposed Jawaharlal Nehru, who created firstly Andhra Pradesh, the Telugu speaking state. Then the demand for regional language states become becoming demand for regional language speaking states becoming higher. उसके बाद but he opposed the making of the states in terms of language and dialects. But he opposed the making of states in terms of languages and dialects. Where in his honor, the Indian government made a statue called the Statue of Unity in Narmada Valley in front of the Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Statue of Unity is finished in 33 months and is inaugurated by the Indian Prime Minister on 31st October 2018, which was 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. उसके बाद था thank you.
मैं श्लोक से शुरू करने जा रही हूँ. सुखार्तिन कुतो विद्या विद्यार्थिन कुतो सुखम सुखार्तिन वतजेत विद्यार्थिन वतजेत सुखम. इसका अर्थ है सुख चाहने वाले को विद्या कहाँ और विद्या चाहने वाले को सुख कहाँ, और जिसको सुख चाहिए उसे विद्या का त्याग कर देना चाहिए और जिसे विद्या चाहिए उसे सुख का त्याग कर देना चाहिए. गुड इवनिंग. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑन late Durgabai Deshmukh. Durgabai Deshmukh was an Indian lawyer. She was also popularly known as the Iron Lady. She played a major part in the upliftment before and even after independence. She took a strong role in the upliftment of women. At the age of 8, she even quit her school to discourage the teaching of English. She organized salt satyagraha and civil disobedience in Madras. She was a member of the Constituent Assembly and the Planning Commission of India. She established the Andhra Mahila Sabha, the Andhra Education Society and Sri Venkateshwar College of Delhi University. She opened major organizations which were aimed at education, training and rehabilitation of needy women, children and handicapped. Thank you.
मैं सबसे पहले तो आप सबके सामने एक श्लोक प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सत्यम ब्रियात प्रियम ब्रियात न ब्रियात सत्यम अप्रियम प्रियम च नानृतम ब्रियात। ऐसा धर्म सनातन, अर्थात सच बोलो, प्रिय बोलो, अप्रिय मत बोलो अगर वह सत्य भी है तो। सच बोलना और प्रिय बोलना ऐसा हमारा सनातन धर्म है। Now I would like to tell you about the famous leader of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad participated in Swadeshi movement and Satyagraha and Quit India movement. He established the Bihari students and conferences. He founded the National College at Patna. He was the minister in charge of the food and agriculture. He became the president of the Constituent Assembly. He was the first president of India. He was honored by the Bharat Ratna in 1962. Thank you.